Hey everyone, in this lecture we will go over the basics of Vapi, what is Vapi, and even we'll make our first ever AI voice agent in Vapi today in this lecture. So let's get started. So when you open vapi.ai, this is what you're gonna see. Simply sign up or sign in, and once you do that, you'll be able to see the dashboard of Vapi. Now I know it looks a little overwhelming. Okay, what is going on? So many graphs, so many options, what's going on? Trust me, it's pretty simple. Now, first we'll go over the assistance tab. Now, on the left hand side, you can see we have the assistance option. Click on this and you'll be able to see the list of all of your assistants which are stored here. Now, in my case, I've already made some agents, so you can see they're already set up. In your case, you might see a blank sheet. Simply click on the create assistant option in the left hand side, and you can select a blank template. So blank template means that there'll be no system prompt and you'll be able to make agents from the very scratch. In this lecture, we'll go for the customer support specialist agent. This is a quick start agent. By a quick start agent, I mean an agent which is already set up by Vapi. So the prompting, the voice, and every single one of those details are already set up by Vapi, so you don't need to do anything. And you can select a customer support specialist agent here and then click on create assistant. Once you create your assistant, you'll be able to see every single one of these details like the system prompt, the first message, and all of these settings. Now you don't need to worry about all of them. We'll go in depth about every single one of these options. And congratulations, you were successfully able to make your first ever agent in Vapi. Now you can even talk to your agent by clicking on this talk to assistant option in the top right corner. Now just click on it.
Hi there, this is Alex from Tech Solutions Customer Support. How can I help you today?
Hey Alex, what kind of services does your company provide?
Oh, sure. Tech Solutions offers software services.
You can talk to your assistant like this. Now you can see this assistant is a little unfinished because I didn't say any one of these words like sure, team offers, blah blah blah. So the assistant was still able to grab all of them, but I didn't say them, right? So the agent is a little unpolished for sure, but we haven't done anything. We haven't even touched anything, and with just a single click, we were able to make this assistant. Obviously, in the coming lectures, we'll polish all of these assistants to make sure that this doesn't happen. But yes, congratulations, you were able to make your first ever AI agent in Vapi. Now, once we are done with this, we'll go over the phone numbers option in the left hand side, as you can see, and you'll be able to see a lot of, not a lot of options, only a single option to be honest. So just click on this and you can import your phone numbers from various sources like Twilio, Vonage. You can even use a free Vapi number. So this is the phone number which the AI agent uses to call the customers, right? So we have a lot of options. I'll highly suggest you go for Twilio. That's way more reliable, and I have used Twilio like since I've been in this business. So Twilio is the best option. It's cost efficient and you'll get a lot of options in terms of phone numbers. So yes, this is Twilio. Now this is how where you set up the Twilio phone number. We have a dedicated lecture. I think after a couple of lectures we have a dedicated video specifically for Twilio on how to connect your phone number with Twilio with your AI assistant and everything. So don't worry, we'll cover that one as well. Now we'll go over the Vapi API keys. Now here you'll find all the API keys for your AI assistants. Now in majority of the cases we'll use the public API keys. These keys will be used when we are setting up the backend of the agent, right? So it will make more sense in the coming few lectures. Now if you scroll down, you'll see the org settings. You click on the org settings and here we go. And here you'll see billing and add-ons. So here you can basically buy different subscriptions for Vapi. As you can see, they have various different plans. I'll highly suggest you, when you are starting with making AI voice agents, go for the pay as you go option. That's the best one. You'll not waste any money by buying like 3000 minutes and end up only using like 200 minutes, right? So pay as you go is the best option for beginners, and here you can connect your card, your payment details, and every single one of those details. Now I know there's a hell lot of more options in Vapi. We'll go over every single one of them in the coming lectures. I don't want to overwhelm you. The purpose of this lecture was to make you more comfortable with the Vapi dashboard. In the next lecture, we'll go over the basics of make.com and we'll even make a make.com automation flow. So I'm excited for this one. And yeah, that's pretty much for this lecture. See you in the next one.